What if I told you the future of Mercedes-Benz isn't what you think it is? Forget the sleek, low-slung sedans for a moment. Mercedes is going rugged. They're going practical. And they're going all-electric with a vehicle that's set to completely redefine the family SUV. Meet the upcoming 2026 Mercedes-Benz GB Electric. This isn't just another EQ model, this is a brand new chapter. For years, we've seen Mercedes-Benz master the art of luxury sedans and powerful performance cars. But the market is shifting, and customer demands are evolving. People want space, they want versatility, and increasingly, they want an electric vehicle that can handle more than just a smooth city commute. Enter the GB Electric, a vehicle born from this very idea. It's designed to be the spiritual successor to the much-loved, boxy GLB, but with a futuristic twist and a zero-emissions powertrain. So, what exactly is this new electric SUV? Think of it as the adventurous cousin in the Mercedes electric family. While models like the EQE and EQS focus on aerodynamic efficiency and futuristic luxury, the GB is all about practicality and a go-anywhere attitude. It takes the upright, spacious, and utilitarian design of the GLB and reimagines it for the electric age. This means you get that commanding driving position, excellent visibility, and a cavernous interior. But now it's powered by a state-of-the-art electric platform. Mercedes is building this new SUV on their next-generation MMA platform, which stands for Mercedes Modular Architecture. This is a huge deal. Unlike some of their earlier EVs that were adapted from gasoline car platforms, the MMA is an electric-first design. This means the entire vehicle is engineered around the battery and electric motors from the ground up. The benefits are massive. A more spacious cabin because there's no transmission tunnel, a lower center of gravity for better handling, and optimized packaging for a bigger battery and longer range. It's a fundamental shift in design philosophy. Let's talk about the look. Based on spy shots and insider information, the GB will retain the GLB's signature boxy silhouette, but with a modern, electric-focused design language. Expect a smoother, more closed-off front grille, because electric cars don't need as much air for cooling. We'll likely see sleek, full-width LED light bars at both the front and rear, giving it a distinctive and high-tech look, especially at night. The overall shape will be a masterclass in balancing aerodynamics with interior volume. Mercedes knows that a boxy shape isn't the most slippery through the air, so they'll use clever tricks like flush door handles, aerodynamic wheel designs, and carefully sculpted body panels to maximize efficiency without sacrificing that all-important headroom and cargo space. It's the best of both worlds, rugged looks and smart engineering. Now, let's step inside. This is where the GB Electric is expected to truly shine. The promise is a cabin that feels even more spacious than the already roomy GLB. The flat floor, courtesy of the MMA platform, will create a sense of openness you just can't get in a traditional car. And just like the GLB, a 3-row, 7-seat option is almost a certainty. This is a game-changer for families who want to go electric, but need the flexibility to carry more passengers. Imagine being able to take the whole family, plus a couple of friends, on a road trip with zero tailpipe emissions. Of course, this being a Mercedes, technology will be front and center. While it might not get the full-width hyperscreen from the flagship models to keep it more accessible, we can expect a massive, high-resolution digital display that seamlessly integrates the driver's instruments and the central infotainment system. It will run on the next-generation MBUX, or Mercedes-Benz operating system. This new software promises to be faster, more intuitive, and more connected than ever before. Expect AI-powered voice commands that feel like a natural conversation, over-the-air updates that continuously improve the car, and a whole suite of integrated apps for music, navigation, and entertainment. Underpinning all this is the performance and range. The MMA platform is designed to support an 800-volt architecture. Why is that important? 2 words: faster charging. This technology allows the battery to be replenished at incredibly high speeds. We're talking about the potential to add over 150 miles of range in just 15 minutes at a compatible DC fast charger. This single feature dramatically reduces range anxiety and makes long-distance electric travel genuinely practical and convenient. As for the battery and range itself, while official figures are still under wraps, The goal is clear: to be a leader in the segment. The new platform is designed to accommodate advanced battery chemistries that are more energy-dense. This means more range from a battery pack of the same size. We can realistically expect a real-world range well over 300 miles on a full charge, with different battery and motor configurations available to suit various needs and budgets. There will likely be a standard single-motor, rear-wheel drive version focused on maximum efficiency, and a more powerful dual-motor, all-wheel drive variant for those who want extra performance and all-weather capability. This 4MATIC version will be perfect for ski trips or navigating slippery roads with confidence. So, who is this car for? It's for the modern family that refuses to compromise. It's for the person who needs the practicality of a 3-row SUV for school runs and soccer practice during the week, but also wants the freedom and capability to head out on an adventure on the weekend. It's for the tech-savvy driver who wants the latest in connectivity and user experience, and for the environmentally conscious consumer who wants to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing space comfort or the premium experience that comes with the 3-pointed star. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GB Electric is shaping up to be more than just another electric SUV. It represents a new direction for Mercedes-Benz, a pivot towards a more practical, family-focused form of electric luxury. It combines the beloved DNA of the GLB with a truly next-generation electric platform, creating a vehicle that is smart, spacious, and sustainable. It directly addresses the needs of a huge segment of the market that has been waiting for a premium, 3-row electric SUV that isn't astronomically expensive. As we get closer to its official reveal, more details will emerge about the final specs, pricing, and available features. But from what we know so far, the excitement is building, and for good reason. This isn't just an electric version of an existing car. It's a ground-up reimagination of what a family SUV can be. It's a bold statement from Mercedes, and it might just be the most important vehicle they launch this decade. It's the practical, rugged, and spacious EV that many of us have been waiting for. Keep an eye out, because the future of the family SUV is about to get a major electric upgrade, and it's wearing a Mercedes-Benz badge. The 2026 GB Electric is coming, and it's poised to shake things up in a big way. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited about the future of electric vehicles as I am, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you do not miss our future updates on the Mercedes GB and all the other exciting cars on the horizon. And see you in the next one.